Brother, imagine this. You hop in your car, turn the key, and it cranks slow like it's begging for help. Old batteries lose power fast, especially when plates get dirty and resistance goes up. Science talks say lead-acid batteries weaken when sulfation builds on plates, blocking energy flow. A quick refresh can remove surface resistance and restore contact efficiency for a moment. Start with cleaning the terminals and resetting the battery connection safely. Buddy, one tiny layer of dirt can steal a big chunk of power. Today I'll break it down fast. But first, let me hit you with the real reason it matters. In the next segment, I'll show the fastest point of failure most drivers never check. 2. Buddy, the number one hidden issue is micro-corrosion on battery terminals. Even a thin white or greenish layer reduces conductivity. Popular car science forums explain corrosion creates extra resistance, forcing the battery to work harder, draining faster. The fix is simple. Remove the terminals safely, clean with warm water or a terminal cleaner, then reconnect tight. This quick reset improves electrical contact instantly, making the battery feel more responsive. Brother, tight metal contact beats brand new chemistry any day. Practical tip? Always disconnect the negative side first and reconnect it last to avoid sparks. Curious how plate sulfation forms and what really slows your battery inside? That's exactly what we dig into next, brother. 3. Brother, sulfation is like cholesterol for battery plates. It builds when a battery sits low on charge too often. Car communities quote simple battery science. Sulfation crystals form on lead plates during discharge and harden if not recharged quickly. A 60-second refresh won't remove deep crystals, but cleaning and resetting terminals reduces surface resistance, so stored energy flows better. The practical move? Keep your battery topped up weekly, or use a smart trickle charger at home. Check voltage fast if you can. 12.6 V is healthy, 12.2 V means weak, below 12 V needs love. And brother, patience beats panic. Here's some positive fuel for your day, buddy. The next part gets even smarter. Stay curious, keep learning. Small steps protect big parts, and you're smarter than most drivers for watching this. Let's roll, brother. In the next segment, we talk about the fastest charging myth that kills batteries early. 4, buddy. A big myth is charging your battery with high amps to wake it up fast. Science says heat increases internal stress and speeds fluid loss in wet cells. Modern battery experts warn that fast, high-amp charging can warp plates and increase long-term damage. The smarter fix is low-amp, steady charging. A 60-second trick only helps contact flow, not chemical rebuild. Practical tip? If you charge at home, 2 to 6 amps is gentle and safe for old lead-acid units. Brother, slow is smooth, smooth is fast in battery health. Curious how temperature plays into this and why cold drains faster? We break that down next, buddy. 5, brother. Temperature changes battery behavior fast. Cold thickens chemical reactions and raises internal resistance, lowering available power. Global car discussions reference simple electrochemistry. Lower temps slow ion movement in lead-acid cells. A quick refresh trick helps energy escape easier. But long-term health comes from thermal balance and charge discipline. Practical tip? Park indoors if possible, or drive long enough to replace the energy used at start. Short drives starve batteries. And brother, short fixes need long habits. Ready for a simple driving habit that extends life for years? That's up next, buddy. 6. Buddy, short engine runs trick your alternator into thinking the battery is fine. It isn't. Science from Car Basics says alternators replace start energy only if the engine runs long enough. A 60-second terminal refresh gives instant flow, but won't recharge the loss. The real solution is drive time, not idle time. Brother, 10-15 minutes of real driving helps more than 1 hour of parking idle. Practical tip? If you must idle, turn off big electrical loads like headlights and AC. Brother, less load equals more stored life. Curious what tiny warning sign tells you a battery is about to give up? That's next, brother. You got this, brother. Let's roll. Next segment, ground connection. 7. Brother, the smallest warning sign is slow, uneven cranking rhythm. Not a loud failure, just a different beat. Car science communities say voltage dips change starter motor cadence. If you catch it early, you save money and stress. The practical fix is checking terminals, voltage, and ground points first. Brother, most failures start small and silent. Practical tip? Wiggle test the terminals gently. No movement should happen. And brother, no wiggle means no voltage loss. Stay positive, buddy. The next part shows the fastest electrical point that can fake a dead battery. You got this, brother. Let's roll. Next segment, ground connection. 8, buddy, a loose ground cable can mimic a dying battery. Science from Car Electrical Basics says current must return cleanly through ground points. If ground is weak, the starter acts weak. The fix? Check the body ground bolt and cable tension. Brother, tight bolts mean happy electrons. Practical tip? Make sure the ground cable has no rust at the contact surface. Clean if needed, reconnect tight. Curious what 1-minute routine top drivers do every month to keep batteries feeling young? That's exactly next, buddy. 9. Brother, the 1-minute routine is a terminal care loop. Disconnect negative, inspect, clean light corrosion, reconnect, tighten, done. Car forums love this quick maintenance because it restores metal contact efficiency. It doesn't heal deep chemistry, but it lets stored energy flow like it's new again. Practical tip? Add a thin protective battery grease after cleaning to slow future corrosion. Brother, prevention beats refresh. And brother, refresh supports prevention. Curious what other electrical load steals life faster than corrosion? That's next, buddy. 10, buddy. Parasitic electrical drain is the silent thief. Dash cams, alarms, or faulty accessories pull tiny current non-stop. Science from Car Electrical Talks says even 3050 MEA constant drain can kill battery charge in days if the battery is old. The solution is finding the leak and reducing constant load. Brother, small leaks sink big ships. Practical tip? If you install accessories, wire them to ignition power, not constant power. Curious how alternator balance protects battery chemistry? That's next, buddy. 11, brother, alternators maintain float voltage, usually 13.7, 14.4 V in most cars. Science from Car Basics says float voltage keeps plates clean and reduces crystal hardening. A 60-second terminal refresh lets this float energy enter and exit easier, improving the sensation of battery response. But the long-term solution is alternator health. Practical tip? If your headlights flicker at idle, test your alternator. Brother, stable voltage equals stable battery stress. Curious how water level in wet batteries affects instant power? That's next, buddy. 12. Buddy, wet batteries need fluid balance for plate coverage. Popular battery science talks say low fluid exposes plates, increasing resistance and heat stress. A 1-minute refresh can't replace lost fluid, but it improves surface contact, so remaining chemistry works better temporarily. Practical tip? Check fluid monthly. Top with distilled water if needed. Never tap water. Brother, clean fluid protects clean chemistry. Curious why jump starts sometimes hurt batteries? That's next, brother. 13. Brother, jump starts shock batteries when connections spark or voltage spikes. Science from Car Talks says sudden voltage swings stress old plates. A safer quick trick is making sure clamps bite clean metal and your car stays off until cables are secure. Then, start. Practical tip? Let the donor car run 30 seconds before you crank. Brother, pre-flow beats shock flow. Curious what battery health check takes only seconds and saves big failures? That's next, buddy. 14. Buddy, voltage check is the fastest health snapshot. 12.6 V good, 12.2 V weak, under 12 V hungry. This comes from basic battery science many car communities repeat. A 1-minute terminal refresh helps if the battery has stored charge but blocked surface contact. Practical tip: if cranking drops voltage below 9.6 V, that battery needs professional testing. Brother, don't gamble when numbers talk. Curious how storage habits change battery aging speed? That's next, buddy. 15. Brother, batteries age faster when stored half-charged. Science from Automotive Basics says lead-acid units like full charge, not deep discharge, not mid-storage. A 1-minute refresh is like opening a clogged pipe, not refilling the tank. The real solution is storage discipline. Practical tip: if you leave a car unused, start and drive weekly, or use a smart maintainer. Curious what tiny sensor in modern cars protects battery load automatically? That's next, buddy. 16. Buddy, modern cars use battery load sensors to monitor voltage stress and manage alternator behavior. Science from car tech discussions say these sensors help balance charge and load, reducing long-term stress. A terminal refresh improves sensor reading accuracy because metal contact is cleaner. Practical tip: after reconnecting terminals, wait 10 seconds before starting so sensors calibrate. Curious how cleaning contacts improves sensor decisions instantly? That's next, brother. 17. Brother, sensors decide charging behavior based on voltage clarity. Dirty terminals create noise, sensors make wrong calls, battery suffers. Popular automotive science talks explain electrical noise misleads charging logic. The 1-minute trick removes that noise at the surface. Practical tip: keep contacts shiny and tight. Curious what battery mistake is more common than cold damage? That's next, buddy. 18. Buddy, the most common mistake is ignoring small signs. People wait for total failure. Science from Car Basics says early micro-resistance grows into macro damage. A 1-minute refresh buys you clarity, not immortality. Brother, clarity leads to better care. Practical tip: make a monthly battery care alarm on your phone. Curious what one rule can make any battery last insanely longer? That's next, buddy. 19. Brother, the one golden rule is charge consistency. Avoid deep discharge, keep voltage stable, clean contacts, respect temperature. Battery lasts longer. Car science discussions repeat this everywhere. The 1-minute refresh is opening the door. The golden rule is keeping the house clean every day. Practical tip: check terminals, ground, fluid, alternator rhythm monthly. And brother, don't overthink, just maintain. Last part is important, buddy. 20. Like, share, comment your experience, brother. Every battery is different. Every driver has a story worth learning from. Quick terminal refresh helps surface contact flow, but long-term battery life depends on real habits and electrical balance. Consult a certified mechanic if your car still struggles after basic checks. If you have special conditions, ask a professional. Like, share, comment your experience, buddy. Disclaimer: consult a certified professional if you have a special condition.